Hi friends, today we will be repairing a Bosch vacuum cleaner. Now I will show you what is written on it. In general, it is a battery vacuum cleaner and we will be changing the batteries in it. The batteries do not hold a charge at all. When fully charged, it works for about 10 seconds and turns off. I removed the vacuum cleaner and now I will try to disassemble it. Let's unscrew all the screws and try to disassemble the case. The vacuum cleaner looks like it has already been disassembled or was about to be disassembled, because there are traces of tools. The case is disassembled, and what do I see here? And here is the battery we need, which consists of 4 batteries. I also see that the battery compartment can accommodate 3 more batteries. Why the manufacturer did this is still unclear to me. Let's get the battery compartment. Now you need to remember how the engine is positioned for easy assembly. And you also need to mark the wires or remember so as not to forget during assembly. I also see that there is a fuse here. I still need to mark 2 connectors. Now you need to remember the location of the wires that go to the battery. Between the batteries, we have a battery heating sensor. In general, remember all the wires, friends. Now I'll try to disassemble the battery compartment. Remember the location. Minus, minus, plus, plus. Now you need to unsolder the wires. I unsoldered the wires. Now let's disassemble the compartment. If you don't want to do like me, but just want to buy a ready-made compartment with batteries, here's the name for you. Now I need to order good batteries, because there are many low-quality batteries in Russia. I just happen to have one supplier of such batteries. Done. I assembled the battery and will show you again how the wires are located. I show again for those who did not understand how the wires are located when I disassembled this vacuum cleaner. Now I need to assemble all this and test it. I installed the battery compartment, put the engine in place too. Let's test it. Let's run the vacuum cleaner a little while it's still disassembled. Our engine is working fine. I think I'll clean up the trash here and assemble the vacuum cleaner. As you can see, the device shows that the vacuum cleaner is charging, which is good news. Let's see how long it will take to charge to 100%. Done. The vacuum cleaner is completely ready for work. I have already tested it. It charged for about 3 hours. Let's check it in operation. We have 2 positions on the handle. By rotating the handle, the entire vacuum cleaner rotates, a very convenient function. And also at the bottom there is a special lock so that it stands vertically. Also very convenient. This completes the repair. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like it. See you in the next videos.